Okay. What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing a breakfast. We're doing a classic French toast. So what you're gonna need for this recipe is 2 eggs, crack it, put it in the bowl. You're gonna go with 1.5 cups of milk, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and I'm gonna just list everything else that goes inside this. Follow the list. So mix it, get a frying pan out, put it on medium-high heat, put a nice amount of butter in there. You gotta use butter. And then go ahead and get your bread, dip it, mix it in that mix, and put it in your frying pan. You're gonna fry it on both sides for 2 minutes, and then you're gonna flip it. If you wanna get it extra crispy, put it in your oven at 350 degrees. Finish it off, take it out, put a nice little bit of butter on top, some icing sugar, some maple syrup, real maple syrup, and hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends.
Delicious.